Hello guys and welcome to episode 2 of Christmas 2 in Minecraft. And you know what? In today's episode is gonna be a little bit of a different episode. Normally we just go to build something huge, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. But not only this, because we are gonna start off with doing a little bit of fighting also. I need to go to the nether, and I need to do it because I want the speed poison. I want the speed really poison because it's super useful. So that's exactly what I want to do on the speed building of switchness, I don't really know. Switchness poison probably only, but still. So you know what? That's exactly what we're gonna do. And as you see right here, I have a little bit of stuff right here. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. We're just gonna craft up. So let's see right here. And you may be wondering, why do you take even those kind of useless bow? Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. We're just gonna combine. You can't combine 3 for some whatever reason, but you have to just combine 2 and they're like 1 and 1, and then you're gonna do like this. And I think we will do like this also. I could use this one, but those bows is pretty good for enchantments. I don't know if we are even gonna get the enchant table, but I mean, why not? And yes, this is for later. These 3 things right here, this is for later. But still, so let's see right here. We're just gonna craft up some stuff. And also, we are gonna do this with leather caps. Even though I'm wasting a little bit of durability, I don't care about it. And also, before we're crafting up even more stuff, I just want to talk a little bit about this place. Or this thing right here. I think I was going ahead and getting it off episode or something. I was killing a little bit of dudes when they was interrupting my farm. And yes, I was doing a farm. But still, so then we have this fire protection 1 golden chestplate. A golden chestplate is gonna have a lot less durability than iron one. And just look at this. The iron one, what? Why can I equip it? Wait, what? It's a chestplate! Come on, you'll see! It says golden chestplate and then iron. But I can't equip it. I could move this one. I can't equip this one. What? What is wrong? I should be able. Okay, here we go. That's a weird glitch. But as you see right here also, it's 1/2 a armor. These are different. And it's only fire protection 1. I have a fire protection 2 helmet. And that's the only helmet I have besides this little leather cap. This won't do me any good whatsoever. Only a half protection, but still something. So this one, I actually think is better than the iron one, because I am going to nether, and then it's a lot of lava, it's a gas and all this kind of stuff, and they will do fire damage. So I mean, the blast protection will be better, but fire your protection is probably good if I fall in lava. So I mean, yeah, I will wear this. And then we are also gonna equip our shield right now, and we need pants and shoes. So let's just make it. We will make 1 set of pants, 1 set of shoes. And you may be wondering, oh, wait a sec, you have 6 iron left, and now you have a little bit mixed armor. Why don't you go ahead and make yourself a helmet? Well, that's because I'm gonna waste those 6 iron on 1 little bit of useful thing at least. And this will be, where is it? Okay, here we go. The doors. I want iron doors. And the great thing about this is they really don't break. It's very useful. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And also, I brought those wood because, well, we will need a bit of buttons. Obviously, we need to just get out here. And then we are just gonna see. So let's just see right here. And yes, this is what we're gonna do later. But still, oh, a creeper. Okay, I'm a little bit scared for this. Okay, you know what? We are just going in and we are gonna fight this one spider. I don't care about you. We are going to nether. I don't care about spider. Spider is nothing. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. Putting in those iron doors. And then, obviously, why did I make 12 buttons? You only need like 4 for a set of those. And that's exactly because I mean, why not? We'll just spread them out a little bit. And oh, I probably should have brought an axe. Oh, I have axe. Okay, my bad. But still. So, will this actually work? Yes, it will. And there's oh my god! That's annoying. Okay, you know what? That's fine. It's fine. I don't care about it right now, at least. At least in explode lava. So now we are just gonna place a little bit of wooden bundles right here. And yeah, that's it. That's basically it. So now we can get back and forward, because you can't open this with your fist, for those who doesn't know. So now you may wondering, what are you gonna do next? Well, obviously create an end portal. I have so much obsidian right here, as you see. No, I don't have any obsidian. But I'm gonna use trick this I never used before. This I don't even know if I actually could use. But I mean, I know it is including lava and water. And I figured my own way at least to doing it. It will be a little bit of a safe way. I will just start with using a bit of cobblestone this I forgot down there. Okay, this is a good start. Me forgetting stuff already? Well, great. But still, so now we'll just see. So I think this will just do like this. I want to have it right next to this one. So I mean, that's exactly what we're gonna have then. And I'm gonna use like this amount of blocks because I don't really know how much this is actually requiring. But still, so let's just see right here. And now basically the idea is that you're placing a lava bucket and then a water bucket, or the other way around. I think the other way around it will be a little bit safer. So just like this, and then you have one piece of obsidian. Then you probably could do this on a little bit of the easier way, but still, we're gonna refill our water, we're gonna refill our lava, then jumping down right here, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing. And I'm using the water first, because otherwise, well, let's just say, the lava, it could actually be burning out my house and all those kind of stuff. And I'm not really liking this, because I mean, well, I like my house. I like to have a home, so please don't burn my home. So let's see right here. We are just going to go up again. And I know you could make this with one bucket, but I have two. So who cares about it? It's only 3 iron. I don't care about 3 iron. I'm not gonna save. Oh my god. No. What? Do you have to use the water after or before? I thought you could do this, but apparently not. Okay. I just figured because this was the safer way. This I would do it like this. But okay, you probably need to do it like this. Wait a sec. I will try this once again. I risk burning down my whole world. Well, sure. But it's all for an episode, so who cares about it? I'm burning down my whole world for an episode. That's really great. So let's see what here. No! You actually can't do like this. You have to place the water like before and then the lava. Okay, that's a little bit weird. Like, is this really how it would work? I don't actually know, but still. So, we're just gonna do like this. What? What? I didn't do anything different there. What happened? Okay. What? What happened there? What is wrong with the other block? Is something wrong with the block? What? I don't understand! It shouldn't happen! It shouldn't be like this! Wait, why? Really? Why? What is this? It's just disappearing! Look at this! I'm placing the water, I'm letting it go down even a bit, and now it's... What? It just happened. Do I have to wait a bit? I don't understand this at all. I don't like it at all. Because I feel like, oh my god, okay. I feel like you could easily get 3 diamonds and also to get a little bit of a diamond pickaxe. But still, this is a little bit of a nice trick for you to just wanna go a little bit farther and all this kind of stuff. But you know what? It's actually kind of boring to do. I was doing it for about 3 minutes. I feel like it's boring already and we are halfway. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay guys, so now we have one piece left, and I don't really know what happens with this one, because sometimes it's just lagging out probably. I think at least that's what happened, because when I do it slow, it sometimes happens, when I do it fast, it sometimes happens, so I mean, it is no really consistency to it, and I don't really know, but still. So, we're gonna use a water bucket, and we're gonna use lava, and there we have it. And luckily also, I went down there, I was just like, oh my god, I seriously is not gonna have one piece of iron. Because you need to light it with flint and steel. You may could do it with lava, but that would risk just burn your whole place down. And I don't like it. So, definitely, that's why I was going down there and found 2 pieces of uncooked iron or iron ore, whatever you want to call it. So I just cooked one with my last spruce store. I'm never gonna use it, so who cares about it? Oh, you actually could place however you want. Okay, we're gonna place it just like this, because why not? I feel like flint should be on top and steel should be on the bottom, even though it's looking like it's exactly the other way around. But still, who cares about it? It's actually looking like sea and a poop on this one. I always thought it was looking like a pirate arm, but no, it's actually looking like sea and some kind of weird gunpowder? Poop? I'm not sure. But okay, you know what? Let's just light the portal. 3, 2, 1, whoa! Okay, so here we have it. I think this is actually the smallest one you could ever make. I don't think this you could go one lower. I'm not really sure, but still, you're seeing something right there. Well, that's what I'm gonna show you next, because I was doing a little bit more. This took me seriously forever, but still. So you're seeing already a little movement, only a little farm, you may thinking. Well, not so little, because 3, 2, 1, woo! And as you see right here, we have a lot of sheep, because, well, why not? I need my sheep. I need my wool. Please, sheep, just drop me wool. And that's why I spent all my iron on also. I mean, it's just insane. How much iron this actually take for just cutting them down, or cutting some things down from them, just the wool. And I mean, it's a little bit annoying sometimes, but still, it's fine. It's much better than just mining a cave for stone for forever. You still have to mine a little bit, but still not forever. So, definitely, you're seeing the colors that we're gonna have, and you're seeing what I used also. I was lucky enough, or actually, I keep saying, to say I'm lucky enough to get brown wool. I always is lucky to get brown wool. No, I'm not lucky. I did this for seriously like 5-6 hours, something like this. That's not luck! I probably could have gotten a pink sheep if I even looked for it, but I didn't, because I don't really care about it. So here we have all the colors that I was getting also, and all the flowers this is coming from. Some of them I just combined, and all this kind of stuff, so I mean, yeah, why not? And I really like this one. Oh my god, come on. Okay, good. So, now we are just having this wool also, and the last one is of course white wool, yellow wool, red wool, purple wool, because I really like purple wool in the last series, brown wool, which is the one this we are gonna use most today, orange one, and then blue. So, that's what you have right here. And also, I have a little bit of a food section right here, like somewhere over here, I think. Yeah, here we go, my little food farm. Normally, I'm taking some kind of spaces are exactly like this one, and also, I put on every single corner, I put 2 gates, just like this. Because why not? And even inside, I could access it much easier then. So let's see right here. Where is my food? Oh my god, I think I lost my food. I can't really find my food. Okay, here we go. Here I have my little food section. Because normally, I would make a huge one, but I don't really need it. I always end up to have like stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks of bread. And I just like being... No, I don't want to use this even. So this time I went a little bit smaller, because why not? So you know what? No, we are not gonna go small. Small is nothing I like normally, and that's exactly what is gonna happen right now. Not normal at all, but still, we are just gonna go like this, and we are just gonna put away some stuff. I guess we could take some lava, but who cares about it? So, we are not gonna need the iron door, we are gonna need these things, and yeah, we are also gonna use the bed, because, well, I need to sleep right here, because otherwise it will be night when I came back, maybe, and we are gonna sleep. And at the same time, I'm actually gonna set my spawn point, so I'm not gonna touch the bed, I'm not gonna touch the bed more than once, which will just be like respawn point set. And now, if I die, bad luck, but still. And I really also want to give you advice. Go with a shield. Shield is super useful. And also a bow. And also take flint and steel with you. Don't leave behind, because then it's a little bit bad. So, obviously also take some blocks. I need some blocks. Definitely need some blocks. I guess we are just gonna take like this. Yeah, a stack of blocks should be enough. And then we're just gonna go in. So, now, let's just go in, and hopefully we'll find the Nether Fortress. 3, 2, 1, whoa! And hopefully I won't spawn in lava, because you can actually spawn lava, and then it would be just sad. It is just sad, basically. But okay, we're just gonna see. Please don't attack me right away also. Oh my god, okay. We are not spawning really in a good place at all. No, I don't wanna spawn here. I wanna get my spear building poison, but I don't think they are spawning like here or anything like this. The Nether Fortress. Okay, you know what? Here is nothing for me whatsoever. I could get some glowstone, I could get some light in, but truth to be told, I just wanna get out of here. Oh, actually, no, I don't. I really don't. I just wanna get a little bit of this wood. I think you will chop this down with the pickaxe. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. No? Isn't it? I'm not really sure what you're gonna use, but still, I wanna get one of those, and then, I mean, why not? Let's just get back, actually. So, I was been in the nether, that's good, that's all good. Okay, as a little bit of skeleton you say. Okay, I'm not liking it. I don't like you, skeleton. So, I mean, yeah, I don't really know. I could find nether, but still, do I want to? Yeah, not really right now. I think we'll try to find one of those nether fortress of camera, and then I will come back in next episode. So, at least we went to nether. I mean, sure, I prepared a little bit too much, but still, yeah, why not? Oh, that's what I want, glowstone. Here is nothing for me whatsoever. I could get some glowstone. Bad luck. I don't care about it. So, let's just see right here. Okay, I have to go into doors. Okay, why do you have to make my life so complicated, game? So, let's see what here. We are just gonna jump up and get it. Come out, come out. Annoying. Okay, we're just gonna do like this then, and this will bring us light, and light is very good for, well, summer protection, and that's very, very good also. So, now, we're just gonna go a little bit farther, and let's just say right here, and you may thinking, what does this even mean? What does this even mean? Well, let's just say, the Vikings, it used maps, the pirates, it used maps, me, I'm using arrows, I'm going one step a little bit like easier, I'm using the arrows right here. I build those out of red wool because, well, why not? Because we are not gonna have a Christmas series right here. Because I want to build big things, I want to build huge things, I want to build incredible things. And here is just not enough space. This is probably what we are gonna do in like this and next episode, because this will be a double episode. So definitely we're just gonna do it, and we're just gonna continue a little bit going right here, and this is just pointing to the way front to like my house. And then I mean, yeah, we will always be able to get home by this, and yeah, I mean, why not? I basically made a lot of those. Not advanced whatsoever, it's pointing on the right direction, and yeah, I mean, why not? So, you know what? 3, 2, 1, let's just finally get to building. Whoa! Okay guys, so now we are seeing where we are gonna build, and also the arrows right here is going all the way, obviously. But, I mean, this is actually a really good place. I'm super happy because I found this, because, well, we have one village, we have 2 villages, and I mean, we have a lot of free space. And that's just super useful. Sure, I will have to clean up some trees here and there. Sure, I have to just fix some of those. But all in all, this is a perfect place. Like, I love this place, actually. So, this is actually one of my favorite places I ever was found. I think we was doing about like 15, 20 series. I'm not really sure, building series this will say, but I mean, I think it's like 15 series or something like this. And also, we have this little mine shelf right here, but there's some, or actually not right here, it is somewhere. Oh my god, don't even know where it is. That's a little bit of a problem, but still. So I should have my wool right here somewhere. Oh no, this is what happens when you don't really think about where you're placing the chest. Oh my god, where are the arrows actually? Arrows, save me. I know it's a little bit simple, but still save me, arrows, please. I need you to save me as you was doing many times before actually. So where are the arrows? Oh my god, I probably should look for those. 3, 2, 1, woo! Okay guys, so now I finally found us. So finally, it actually didn't take a lot of time, but still. So, you know what? We have a lot of chests. We have basically 7 chests right here, which are exactly the amount of wool this we have. Well, really weird with this, but still, we're just gonna check it out. So, the first one, we have the white one. We don't have full chests. I only took full stacks also, because normally I'm just taking broken stacks and all, and putting those like down here, but I don't care about those. I never care about those. So, that's exactly why I don't care about those right now either. So, in the next one we have yellow, and we are gonna have a little bit of different amount of wool in some of them, but orange wool right here, and then we have the purple wool, which I actually found a lot of, which are a little bit funny, but still. So, now we have the red wool, which I thought we would use. I was thinking about another thing, but then I saw something on television, and I just couldn't resist it. So, then we have a little bit of blue wool, and then we have, oh my god, come on, then we have a full chest of brown wool. And you may think, wait a sec, why are you having a full chest of brown wool? Brown wool is actually pretty ugly, truth to be told. But that's because, well, I was seeing the worst champion, or a Swedish champion at least, I ever could see. Like the worst thing ever. You can even think of making a national contest, because this is the great contest of Gingerbread Creations! Gingerbread House, basically. And I'm just like, what? I'm all, every year, I think this, like, wait, what? Why? That's so bad! That's like making the worst kitchen or the greatest, most useless kitchen machine in the whole world, or something like this. Actually, I know what this would actually be. I was seeing this in some kind of commercial for about a month ago. Their friend and I just bet like 100 Swedish crown, which is about like $8 US, I think, or something like this. I'm just saying because 100 crowns is like, it seems like a lot, but still it isn't really, but still. So this would actually work, and this was something that you are just supposed to take off the middle of the apple with, which seems like a really easy idea, and really good, and really old. No, it's not. It's made out of rubber, and it's made out of plastic. And not like hard plastic, or soft plastic. Who would ever think about making such a thing? That's the most useless thing ever. We tried it out. I guarantee you, I literally made this much faster with my own fingers, just pulling it out one by one, basically. Just pressing, and it was getting much better than with some kind of rubber plastic thing. So you know what? Enough talking about this. So definitely, we are just gonna go ahead and build this bed before we are doing this, or at least start on it. Before we are doing this, well, I thought we may want to go down here because, well, let's say this. I was seeing something weird. Besides all the iron I would love to grab, which I probably never will actually. I know me, I should definitely do it, but I mean, no, I really are not supposed, or I am supposed to do it, but I'm really not excited to do it, so that's probably not what I'm gonna do. But still, I saw something here? What? Okay, this is really weird. I guarantee you I saw something. You know what? I will check it out. So 3, 2, 1. Let's just do another one. Whoa! Okay, guys. So I was on the wrong side, and as you see right here, we have something weird with cobblestone right here. And you may think, oh, it was just you this was placing it. No, we have this little zombie stone or mossy stone or something like this. I don't really know. Mossy cobblestone, basically. And that's exactly like that's what I say. This is actually a mob spawner, and I mean. I kind of don't need a mob spawn to be told, but still. So, I mean, we could get some good loot there from. If this is a spider spawn, we will get like a web in some of those, or not web, but strings. And, I mean, yeah, I guess we should definitely do this. So, let's just get over there, and then we'll just try to do it. So, 3, 2, 1, whoa! Okay, oh, it's a spider one, it's a spider one. That's not very good. Okay, I should definitely have some torch right now, but I don't care about this, so I will just break it. I know this will probably trigger a lot of people, but truth to be told, who cares about it? I don't even want to use it, so I don't care about it, and definitely, we are just gonna fight like this. We are just gonna stand here and fight. Actually, I should probably have my shield up, at least a little bit, and then when they will hit me off, well, at least my shield will take the hit or something. I don't know. Oh my god, they are actually friends with each other. I didn't thought this would actually happen, but okay. So, we have one chest. Let's just loot it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And, oh! We got him use this I probably can't even play. We have this little cobweb. We have beetroot seeds, which could be pretty useful, I guess. We have golden horse armor, rotten flesh. I'm just gonna ignore. I'm just gonna put it back. And then we have the big thing. So let's just check out the book. 3, 2, 1. Reading the book. Whoa! Efficiency 2. I mean, that's actually a nice enchantment if I'm gonna get in diamonds and just putting it on diamond pickaxe. Sure, you know what? I take it actually. It's... I wanna say it's good, but it's not really. So it's fine, okay? It's fine. So now we don't actually have a lot of time left, but still, who cares about it? We are gonna get this castle started with, and that's what I really want to do. And I mean, we need to grind a little bit more. We need to grind for windows, we need to grind for a lot of things, but I want to make a gingerbread castle. That's the point. I want to make a gingerbread castle because, well, I mean, why not? And I saw some enchant armor here. Okay, you know what? We are gonna go for it. Oh my god, why is I even doing this? Why does I even bother? Oh my god, okay, one hit me or something like this, that's fine, it's fine, and no one here, okay, oh, here is a skeleton, okay, I'll just run away, who cares about it, and you Dilo, I am getting triggered, so that's what I'm gonna do with you, we are just gonna destroy him, sorry llamas, I know you will just be able to spit on yourself in eternity or something like this. I don't really care. So, now let's just find our chest. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna take some brown wool and some other color probably. And we are have to destroy him. So let's just destroy him. And then we'll just get right to the building. So, let's see what here. Okay, just lucky one. And then just do like this. And that's perfect. So, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay guys, so now I actually made a little bit of a thing, because I mean, why not? It's super boring to make this. It is 107 blocks long and 41 blocks in this direction. Wide, I think it's called. I don't really know, but still, who cares about it? So, now, what we are gonna do is just getting rid of some grass, because why not? It will be in my way. And then, we have to think about castle's actual, side things right here. Because, I mean, a castle is actually a pretty nice building, but it is not very detailed at all. It's just like a normal building. And then in the inside is something, but I mean, then we have a little bit of some kind of towers also on it, and I guess that makes sense, so I mean, why not? Let's just make it. And also, I took a little bit of every block because I don't really know what I will make it from, but I will mostly make it out of, well, brown wool, because it's a gingerbread house. And gingerbread castle obviously have to have towers also. So, you know what? I think we will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 blocks down like this way, and then we could just make it something like this. And also, by the way, I think that I want to do right now, it is just to get rid of this ugly little shield. It's just taking up way too much space. Goodbye, shield. I don't need your 1 iron. I don't need your 5, 6, 7 wood. Who cares about it? I don't need you. You could just burn, or you could just go and rot it, I guess. Oh my god, it feels so bad to just throw away something I actually could use, but still, I just don't want. I just generally don't want. Oh, actually we should probably place it right here, and then we'll just be able to go like this. And this is only the shape of the tower, so that's what we're gonna try to do right now. And I mean, we should have it a little bit like sidely also, and that's very good, because why not? So let's see right here. Okay, so this one was the empty space I was counting with, right? Yeah, okay. So, now we should basically go inwards then, I guess, and then we will see. I'm not sure about... Oh my god, okay. We are just gonna do like this, and I'm not sure about this. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not sure about how this will work whatsoever, but still, it may will, and I don't really care if it will just be a little bit of a fail, because then we could always do it once again, and that's like pretty fine actually. Right now it's just for testing, and I need this part also, because this is also one of the most important parts, because, well, this is where I'm gonna decide how long would this be, like how high will it be, because long I actually already decided, but still, so I think this will be a great tower, and now we just need to get a little bit sleep. Oh, I'm a tired boy, I'm just gonna sleep. Oh, good night everyone. Whoa. And good morning! Oh my god! Okay, now we're ready again! We are just full with energy right now! And we're just gonna go for it! So, let's see what here. Now we are just gonna be able to go a little bit up, and I should probably have brought some windows, but still, I'm gonna cover it up with white wool instead. Oh my god, it's really powered up, really was giving me a power boost, because it was power nap, so I mean, why not? Makes sense. So, let's see right here. How high will we go? I don't think we're just gonna build like 4 blocks up or something like this. Or just building up basically the amount of blocks we're gonna use. And then just building it all out of this. Oh my god. I actually messed up my headphone there, but still. So, let's see right here. We are just gonna go for it. And, I mean, we will do one of the exact same on the other side, but still, it does not matter right now. And, ooh, actually, I think I saw a mistake right here, because we should probably just make it like this. Yeah, we probably want to have a little bit of more better one, just. I feel like no other way to put it. It's just gonna be better this way, so let's just see. Oh my god, come on. Okay, let's just see right here. We are just gonna go like this. Okay, good. So, I was building a little bit on the wrong thing, but that's fine. That's totally fine. We're just gonna cut down, and that's what I like about this also. That you could actually cut down really simple. With a stone, you kind of need a stone pickaxe or a pickaxe, and it will take a little bit of time. With this one, pretty easy actually to do it. So, we're just doing it, and that's because, well, why not? Wanna be able to have a nice castle. Otherwise, what's even the point? I don't even see a point if you don't have a nice castle. You could be a king, which I already is from the last series. So, I mean, then we obviously have to have a castle in this series also. I have no problem whatsoever with making castles right now. Normally, in just like when I was ending a series, it's just like, oh, I don't want to do it. I really don't want to do it, but in this case, it's actually like, oh, I actually want to do it. I actually genuinely want to do a little bit more castles, because why not? And I mean, a gingerbread castle for Christmas, pretty good. We're getting grades of both worlds, and that's very nice. So, let's see right here. That's exactly what we're gonna try to do, and I mean, why not? We are going pretty fast actually right now, but still, fast enough? I'm not sure. Maybe we are not, maybe we are. I don't really know, I don't really care. So, let's see right here. We are just gonna go, and I mean, it's a little bit taking a little bit longer time when you're going like this also. Oh no, wait a second. We probably should just cut this away, because now it's coming to the point where the window should be, and I don't have any glass, so I mean, well, we are just gonna use white wool for now. It's gonna be better later, but still, for now, we are just using white wool, and that's fine. I don't care about it. So, let's just see right here. We are going a little bit back, and then we are gonna start using the white wool, and I probably should have taken a little bit more white wool, but still. So, we're going 1, 2, 3, and yeah, 3 right there. So, now we're just gonna count up 1, 2, and 3, probably. Yeah, good. Oh my god, how could you be able to just be close to mess something up? This is so simple as just building something. So, you know what, actually we should probably only do the front, because this will be the most interesting part. So, you know what, we're just gonna do like this. We're not gonna just build on the point where we are gonna see. No, we're just gonna build like this instead. So, let's see right here, we're just gonna build like this, and we're gonna build only on the white part, or the one this was white list, and then we'll just see. So, let's see right here. Oh my god, come out. Okay, good. So, now we can just be able to go a little bit more, and I don't really know how high I want to have this. I should probably have figured this out way before. Okay, good. I thought it was just ending there, but okay. So, I should probably have figured it out a little bit before, but still, who cares about it? I am not one of those persons that are just figuring something out when they're just like not doing anything at all. No, I'm gonna figure it out whenever I want, and whenever I want is apparently now. So, I mean, why not? We are just gonna do it, and then we will see. Oh, we obviously have more brown wool. I thought it was the end of brown wool for me, but no, apparently not. So, let's see right here. We are just gonna go down. Actually, we are gonna go down on this side, because I want to see how it looks kind of a little bit at least. So, let's see right here. Okay, we are swimming to the bottom. We are swimming to the bottom. Okay, I think I was putting my feet down there a little bit before, but still, you know what, who cares about it? So, let's just check it out. Let's just check it out. Oh, dog! Hello, dog! I like you. Will you come in my bucket? No, really? Okay, I wouldn't figure. Oh my god, why would anyone wanna just put a dog in a bucket? That's just gross. So you know what? Let's just check it out. 3, 2, 1, whoa! And yeah, you know what? We probably should make another window, and then yeah, probably good idea. Okay, we'll just go up there, do this, and then we'll come back, or not come back actually, we'll just go up and do this. So come out, swimming up! We are swimming faster than the wind, we're swimming faster than the gods, I guess, because gods probably don't swim, I don't think so at least. Oh my god, I should know those kind of stuff, I should know those kind of stuff like ages ago. But still, I just don't, I just don't. Because that's me, so I mean, yeah, sure, why not? We are just gonna do like this, and I realized this was holy wool. I was realizing it, but I wasn't stopping it. Oh my god, why did I take the water? Okay, good. Now just get up. Okay, good. Now we'll just go up with like 1, 2, 3 or 4 actually. Yeah, we'll go up with about 8 blocks more. Oh my god, this will be a real long one and a really big one, especially for being the first buildings we're actually doing. The Sanctas don't, no. It is just not counting. So, let's see right here. Now we should be able... Oh, I want to have a green roof, but I can't. I don't have any green wool. Yeah, no. Why? We're gonna have like 5 of those, and I guess we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, so 1 of each. Yeah, why not? We're gonna start with yellow, because why not? Common sense, I guess. So we are just gonna do like this, and then we are gonna go like 4 blocks up more, or something like this. Yeah, why not? I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm a pro in this game. I'm a professional Minecraft player. So, now, let's just see how we'll even be able to make the roof. And I guess we have to do it like this also, because then it will be a little bit easier to build. So, let's see right here. We'll just be able to make it something like this. And I guess, actually, it would make sense for Gingerbread Head, or Gingerbread house to have a little something of color shades. But still, we are not gonna focus on it right now. I think we'll go 3 blocks up, and then we'll see us, and then we'll just go in a bit, just like this, and going 1, 2, 3 blocks up again, and then, yeah, I don't know. Okay, I think that's actually how we're gonna do with it, and if it isn't, well, I'm gonna come back to you, but otherwise, we are just gonna finish it, and the same on the other side, but with the purple roof. Yeah, why not? 3, 2, 1, woo! Okay guys, so you probably thought this would be the end of the episode, but we was building the house also. It is actually looking real nice, much nicer than I really thought, but still, we have another thing to do, because I feel like it is requiring something a little bit more, just some sprinkles on the top. And what better sprinkles than just doing what we already did? I guess we was doing the smallest portal right now, and I just feel bad. I'm not used to doing small things, so that's why we're gonna fix this problem. We are gonna make the biggest portal possible in whole Minecraft, and that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. And this is gonna be 23 by 23 blocks also, because that's the biggest one you could ever do. And also, I was going down in a mine also for just getting lava, and I was filling up this little thing right here with lava. This I have fairly not could jump, unfortunately. That's what I'm trying to say, but okay, we have lava inside of there. You will just have to trust me. And just right here, this will be my first step for just bringing the obsidian to alive. And now I was just like looking this up a lot of time, and I was trying to even in a creative work somehow. So, now, we'll just be basically able to build up, because that's what I want to do. I'm just gonna build up with this, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I will control count it, and then if this is right, that's exactly the long I'm gonna go with, the same on this one, and just over. So pretty easy. Now it's just a few hours of working, and then it's done! 3, 2, 1, whoa! Would you believe this? The first thing I did after closing the video was just walking 1 step back, and this required just jumping down here, and this was just dying basically. So first step in this series, this won't be like a no death series I guess. And now, let's just light portal and find a prop place. Oh my god, that's so nice, otherwise it would be problem. But you know what, now let's just find a prop place to end the episode. 3, 2, 1, whoa! Okay, so that's the end of this episode. I hope you liked it. No, obviously not, we're just gonna check it out. So 3, 2, 1, whoa! And you know what, this this is pretty good. I think this we are gonna place another portal over here also because this would look incredible. So I definitely hope you liked this episode. If you did, smash like button. If you don't, smash this button. And comment down below. Do you want to see more of this kind of episode? Just like a building and fighting kind of, just doing a lot of things in one episode. Normally I'm just building. I'm just building. I would definitely could have done this in one episode then. But I just want to include a little bit of other things because that's kind of the stuff that you have to do in the beginning. So definitely also something you cannot forget. Something that you definitely cannot forget is of course, don't forget to stay incredible. So goodbye soon, and I hope to see you in the next one. I hope also this will be in 2 days at least. Woo!